Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and today we have Sharon. You know her very well. Two or 3 years ago we came here. We came here and today we're going to celebrate again the Christmas vlog with you all. We are at Valletta. Here you can see the Tritoni fountain. Behind me there's the panorama Ferris wheel. There's the carousel as well up there. And we have lots of attraction. And maybe later, me and Sharon will go for some wine. What do you think, Sharon? Okay. You're going to enjoy? She always loves it. But as I always say, she's my sponsor of these vlogs, because she's the one that cooks my meals. So let's go. Here one can see this old carousel. Look how beautiful it is. And now, let's go and get some tickets. What is beautiful, We have this giant Christmas ball, but they're taking photos with it. Well, Sharon already got some mild wine. It's good. Oh no, let me taste it. Because it's Christmas, so it's good. Well, it's not that hot. And now we have to go. We got the tickets and we are going on the panoramic wheel. So let's go because we arrived late because today we were working till 6 p.m. And here is open till 10. It's very nice. I have Sharon in front of me. Look how So while here, waiting for the Ferris wheel to stop, me and Sharon, as always, I want to thank everybody who helped me this year because this video is mostly a thank you to my viewers and everybody who helps me. First one will be Sharon, because he does a lot behind the scenes to help me go out and make my vlogs. My sponsors, which was Zolio, the satellite communicator, and also JM Motor, who sponsored this year's vlogs, and all the viewers who commented under my vlogs. And today is the day that we relax a little bit. She's always like this on the cover, but she's very actually. Yes, this is Sharon, not the other one. And now it's our turn to go on board. It's always nice the view of the square here, and many people I think will appreciate as well. So let's wait to get up. Let me show you. Look how big it is. So now we are going into the... Yeah, here is it. And we're starting going up. So we get the best view. We are going up. This is the view one can get from here. Look, starts from there, goes all the way here. Look, the Tritoni fountain, how beautiful it is. And here we have the view of Valletta as well. Look, even down here. It's very, very windy here. Look at the view. The carriages, and we are going down. The fountain we have Sharon here. It's nice the view, Sharon. Now let me sit down because I will get shouted at. I'm now back sitting down because we are nearly on the ground there because the attendance is not happy, but the view is amazing from up there. And I'm going to share this view with all of you. And as I told you before, thanking you all. And from here, let me show you more. You can see even MC there. Well, here is Valletta. And here is MC there. So, look how beautiful it is. You see the Taslima is the granaries. And there is the view from here. You can see the port. And look how nice. There's the carousel. Very, very nice. Huh? And this is how it looks from here. And there we are getting ground floor again. And the Ferris wheel. Now we go to a spot a little bit the area here. We just gone down from the Ferris wheel, and here are some games and attractions one can play here. There are some for the grown-ups, some for the children. Hook the duck. We played this last year. Some nice lights. Let's see what we have more here. Here we have the snowball hoops. Darts. A lot of games. Here we have some more games. One can play, obviously they are not free. Have to pay. Some games for the children. Let's go on this side. Here we have the carousel, we were here before, and the Christmas ball, giant Christmas ball. Here the light is crazy. Hope the GoPro can make some justice to this light. There was a stage, but as I told you, we were a little bit late, so there's nothing more. And there's no one can stop to eat here. Oh, nice there. This the food stalls are here because one will find money. And you can find a lot of wine and other stuff. Here we have a chariot like the one of Cinderella here. And we have these decorations here that people can go. Sharon, go there so people can see how they take photos here. You see? Inside the present. The best present I can have this Christmas, yeah? Well, she wants to get paid to taking a photo. Yeah? This one, my model. Yeah. Let's go. These are the presents are here. People also come here to take some nice photos there. About this area. There's this building right here. Today I'm in a little bit of a rush because we don't have so much time, because here is till 10. And what is the time here? Around 9:45, I think. And I have to show you a little bit other places. Here is our beautiful fountain of Tritoni. And here you can find like places like this. We have a giant teddy bear. And a lot of people stop here to take photos with them. Now we have find this part. They have their names are Mr. Vindaloo, Twinkle Treats, but as I told you, time is going up and we are during the week and some are closing. We have mild wine here, kebab hut, one of our monuments here. It's a nice outing for the family, and one can even enter Valletta and can find some nice stuff as well. Let's see what we have here. Lots of sweets. Waffle Wonderland. Schmaltz bar. If you are on diet, better you don't come here. What do you think, Sharon?
But I think I'm gonna lose it today.
You're not on diet, I am on diet, or trying to.
I'm
That's
always
the
on
price.
diet.
Look. Lots of sweet everywhere. Sugarland. Everywhere you go. Some for the children. They're doing some stuff here. We have filigrana jewelry here. Look how beautiful they are. These are done locally. And here we have some cool stuff as well. And more decorations here. Here we find more of those light that people can take photos with them. And here we have the ice skating park, because this is the last thing we will find here at Fairyland. Now we have reached the ice skating park. It's the last attraction of the Fairyland. Obviously I'm not going in after the fall. I got in Gozo, but many youngsters are skating here. Very interesting.
Please sing.
Let me find Sharon. So we continue enjoying the night. So now from here we are finished and we are going to Valletta. What's the name of the street? Republic Street. We are going to show you some lights of Republic Street. We have this cool prop here, a Volkswagen Beetle made of fairy lights. How nice it is. It's exactly near our Titanic fountain, but we are going to that road there. Now we have reached Republic Street. Always this beautiful light. Hope you enjoyed this vlog with us from Valletta, Fairyland. We wish you Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. Thanks for everything. Thanks for everyone who supported us. Until next time, bye bye.
Cheers.